Hi everyone, today we'll see how we have to regularly check the unwanted softwares so that there will not be sudden slowdown in your PCs or laptops. So generally we see there are a lot of softwares which are installed in our PCs or laptops. So maybe which are not in use, we those softwares also we are using. So these are the main causes for your system slowdown. Whenever we see that our RAM utilization is very high, and whenever we see there are a lot of processors which are running in the background because of these unwanted software programs which are running in our laptop or systems or desktops or workstations. So those unwanted software programs should be immediately removed from our computers or laptops so that your PCs get very fast for your day-to-day activities. Thank you.